In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make flashcard in Notion. We're going to set up a ready-to-use flashcard system using Notion's template gallery, then customize it so it fits the way you study. Have Notion open on your computer or in your browser, and make sure you're in the workspace where you want the flashcards to live. Start by going to the top left corner of Notion and clicking the small drop-down arrow next to your workspace name. This opens a quick menu with helpful shortcuts. From there, choose Templates. This takes you to Notion's built-in gallery, which showcases pre-made pages and databases you can add with a single click. In many layouts, you'll see another templates option that leads to the full marketplace experience. If you spot that, click it as well. The marketplace gives you a broader selection and helpful previews, so you can quickly compare styles and features before adding anything to your workspace. Once you're in the template gallery or marketplace, locate the search bar and type flashcard. You'll see a variety of options, from simple Q&A databases to more structured study systems. Open a few previews to check how each one is organized. Look for a clean database with properties like question and answer, plus optional fields such as topic, deck, or difficulty. A clear layout will make review sessions faster and more consistent. When you found a template that matches your needs, open its page and click Add. Notion will duplicate the template into your workspace. If you're prompted to choose where it should go, pick the correct workspace or a specific folder so you can find it easily later. With the template added, it's time to edit. Rename the page to something memorable, then open the database and replace any sample entries with your own material. For each card, fill in the front, often labeled question or prompt, and the back, usually answer or explanation. Keep your answers concise but complete, and use consistent formatting so cards are easy to scan. If the template includes properties like topic or deck, assign them as you go. This will help you filter and sort when you're reviewing. Customize the views to match your workflow. A table view is great for bulk editing, while a gallery or board view can feel more like real cards. If the template includes a pre-made new card button or page template, use it to keep every card uniform. Finally, remove any placeholder text you don't need, adjust icons or covers for a bit of visual flair, and you're ready to study.